As part of its oversight functions, Lagos State House of Assembly Committee on Education paid a courtesy call to the Ministry of Education. The Commissioner for Education, Mrs. Folashade Adefisayo, explained to the visitors how the ministry is working towards achieving the vision of the education sector.
We've done quite a bit, but we need to do more. We cannot rest on our oars. I said the reward for hard work is more work. So we accept that challenge, and we are ready for the challenge of harder work. This is the last term of the session, and I wish everybody well. I thank God for all our lives, that despite all what is happening around us, we have not heard any tragedy from any of our schools. We thank God for that, and I urge them all to stay focused on what they are doing, the teachers and the students, so that they will leave all this victorious.
The Chairman House Committee on Education, Honorable Okola Wonsoni, commends the ministry for a job well done and also highlights some of the grey areas.
We've heard from the Honorable Commissioner, we've seen ourselves, and the way to support the ministry through the House of Assembly is to probably come up with a resolution for the executive to implement, and that resolution has to do with declaration of state of emergency on education. We need to do something in harness to ensure that all of those challenges that are bedeviling the Ministry of Education are frontally addressed.
Emphasis was laid on ensuring security in all schools and putting more efforts in achieving quality education in the state.
In Lagos State, both the legislative and the executive are working together, plus the judiciary. They have already assured us that whatever we want the House to do to support us to move education to the next level, particularly that we are talking of Greater Lagos, they are ready for us. So it's been a successful meeting, and I look forward for more of such deliberations.
We're really looking forward to engaging with him further, because he mentioned things that are relevant for us promoting STEM or STEAM education, as we call it now. He mentioned expanding the budget for us having more laboratories and also employing more teachers. We need more teachers, particularly in math and science. And he mentioned that, and we're really grateful for that support that he has mentioned and his understanding of these issues. In fact, it was very encouraging. Plus, he understood the infusion of technology into education, particularly after what happened with the pandemic.